My people, good morning and happy Sunday. In fact, I don't know what to say as I dey watch this thing. Whether may I laugh or may I dey sad with wetin I dey see. Now, over the years, we don dey try dey manage the so-called pastors and men of God wey dey do this kind healing and deliverance for the country in Nigeria. But as we see dey tackle the pastors, we no know say we go get another shocker. Now Mallam don start for this spiritual charade wey they dey do. Say as Mallam dey use hand dey command people dey roll left and right. They use hand dey command people dey roll left and right. They dey roll like people wey devil possess. Na so they take dey cast out demons. I think say na the demon suppose run comot the person body, no be say na the person go dey roll for ground. But funny enough, I don notice say despite the way they dey roll for ground, their head no dey knack pole, their head no dey knack ground. They no dey injure. Their clothes self still no pull comot. Of the whole rolling, they still find their way to dey avoid obstacles wey their body go hit. Even to hit the man fall down self even difficult. But that's not the point I'm trying to raise here. What I'm trying to ask is say why be say most of these spiritual houses na mostly women? Around 90 or 95% of the congregation are women. Well, I don't know, but I know say right from the Garden of Eden, now when women don't they deceived, or when women don't they too gullible, be it pastors or be it this kind Mallam or be it herbalist or be it anything spirituality or anything where they mislead people, now mostly women they be most of the congregation. Then also, who we go blame? Shey na poverty, shey na joblessness, or shey na laziness dey cause this thing? Me, I don't know. But what me I know be say there's no way this country go forward if this kind of things dey happen. This thing fit be early morning where other people dey go work, go hustle. Now people full here, they wait for who go make them roll for ground. The man on his own now go dey cash out from these people, but themselves no get any work. Say they kneel down, they wait for somebody to come pray for them. Can't they pray for themselves? Well, may I not disturb una with too much talk. When I watch the full video, we will see later on. Now well done.
You